Hi everyone, it's Bryn from Coral Designs Art Studio. Earth Day is just around the corner. It's on April 22nd. And today I thought we would explore a few different ways on how to reuse a container like this. This is just a snackable tuna kit. It came with a couple of crackers, some tuna, and a little spoon, which if you get one of these, I do suggest keeping the spoon because we're going to be using it in an upcoming beauty DIY. So if you have one of these containers laying around, or if you see one in the store and you happen to buy one, do save it. I'm going to show you five creative ways on how to repurpose this container. So keep watching. Alright, so the first way I thought we could repurpose this container is, first I took off the little paper that were in the container because I just like clear containers. I find it's really nice when you can see exactly what you have in a box or a container. You're just more likely to use it. So the first use I suggest for this container is to use it as a toiletry box. So if you're going camping, or if you're going on a trip, or if you're just going over to someone's place for the weekend, it's a great size box to put a little disposable razor, some lotion in a small container. You can put in your shampoo and conditioner. Just kind of refinagle this. And you have some toothpaste, you can put it in there. This is just a little satchel of perfume, so I'm going to put that in there. If you have some dental floss, then you can stick that in there as well. The great thing about this container is it does snap close. It does allow for a little aeration. Oops, this does snap close, yeah. So you can put everything in there and it's all handy. You can just pop it in your backpack or your suitcase and you can see exactly what you have in case you don't want to use a plastic bag. So that's use number one. So the second way to use this container is a little compartment to take your nail polish and favorite perfume in. So if you have that favorite shade or two of nail polish that you want to take with you when you travel, then you can put it in here and it's not rolling around your suitcase or your backpack, and you can just drop it right in there. You can see it. If you also have a little bottle of your favorite perfume, then you can definitely put it in there. This is a glass bottle, and you don't have to worry about it breaking or spilling or anything. So that, my friends, is the way you can use this computer. You can use this container the second way. Alright. So my third suggestion on how to use this container is to use it to carry your little hair clips in. If you're like me, you probably throw this in your backpack or you put it on the top of your backpack or on your purse, and sometimes it can get lost or it can get broken. But this way, if you pop a few of your smaller hair clips inside, it's nice and safe and it won't break. And there you go. You can also throw in some hair ties in there so if you like, and put one of these in your gym bag. You have everything you need when you go to the gym. Alright, stay tuned for usage number 4. So the fourth way I suggest you can use this little container, reuse this container, is a way to store your jewelry when you're traveling. So you can certainly put it in a plastic bag, but if you don't have a plastic bag handy, or you just are worried that some things might get crushed, then this is a pretty sturdy container. So you can just take whatever pieces that you want to carry with you and pop it in there. And oops, I'm just grabbing one more piece, and all your earrings and everything, it's all in one little container, and you can see exactly what you want. So if you're traveling for 7 days, you can have accessories for your 7 different outfits if you're going out each night or whatever the case may be. So good little storage container for your accessories. Alright, so the fifth and final way is coming right up. So my fifth suggestion on how to reuse this container is to use it to store your loose washi tape. So I think this is a great arts and crafts storage solution. You can put a couple of washi tapes in there so it's not rolling around. And I'm fitting about 6 of these washi tapes in here. And it's a perfect little storage compartment to store all your washi tapes. You can see exactly what's in there. and so you're not scrummaging around all your art supplies trying to find what you need. Alright, so that's it for this video. Don't forget, Earth Day is coming up on April 22nd. I'll be posting a few more environmentally friendly Earth-related videos on this channel in the next couple of days. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and do consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.